All right, it is 6:52. On the road now. I ended up staying back there at the Big Blue Barn, Linda's place, but I was camped out back. I set up my tent. I could have stayed in the barn, but I don't know. I just went ahead and set up my tent. But I'm walking through this little town. It's really just a couple buildings now. Plan today is I'm gonna hike through Norwich. I'm gonna go up and over this mountain. I'm gonna hike through Norwich, and then I'll get over to Hanover. And in Hanover, there's lots of places to eat, so I'll definitely be hitting that. It is also the home of Dartmouth, and you actually walk like right through the university, or right by it, or right by their athletic fields at least. So that's pretty cool. But so yeah, I'll show you those views when I get there. I'm gonna get moving. All right, y'all, morning update. Yeah, I've been struggling the last couple days. It's just been so wet, and like the sun doesn't penetrate these trees, and it's mosquitoes, and it's just ups and downs. I mean, the trail's always ups and downs, but this is just like obnoxious ones. I don't know, it's so freaking muddy, and it's just wet, and it's, I know it sounds like I'm just complaining, and I am, but I'm just trying to keep it real for you guys. This is not easy. This has just been a hard part of the journey for me. I'm like 10 miles from Hanover. Sorry, I'm picking my way through mud. I don't know why I'm even picking my way through. My feet just are soaking wet all the time. Sorry, everything out of my mouth is so negative right now, and I gotta get this fixed. But I just talked with Honey Stinger. We were kind of trying to figure out a way for her to come up and see me, and so we were hoping that would work out, and it's just so complicated to get here, and it's not gonna work. And so she's gonna focus on getting here for Maine, and I totally understand. I mean, it just didn't make sense financially, time, travel. I mean, it was just way too complicated. So anyway, you know, I've gotten some good feedback about, you know, being positive through this journey, and I mean, I have been, I think. I mean, and I'm still enjoying myself. It's just these last couple of days I've struggled, and so I just want to keep it honest and real for you guys. This is not easy, but just a lot of things making it not easy, and it's all the things I've just been complaining about. So anyway, I'm not gonna get there talking into this phone and whining like a ungrateful whiner, and I don't want to be that. So I'm gonna get to Hanover, and I'm gonna get some food, and because, you know, I hike for food. And the trail goes that way, and that's where I'm gonna go. So let's go. So this is the back side of this house, but this is very typical of what I'm seeing at the houses. They just kind of go on forever. It's almost like they've just been added on to so many times, or I don't know, maybe like part of it is the garage, and I don't know, they're just really long and added on to, it seems like. That seems to be kind of typical. But I'm walking into the town of Norwich, and This is a pretty street. So these houses are really, really nice. And really big. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab a sandwich somewhere when I get to town. So this is Dan and Witt's, and they have a little bit of everything in there. Grocery store, food, they've got, I mean, just all kinds of stuff. Like anything you need to have it in there. It's kind of a everything type of store. They give hikers day-old breakfast sandwiches that are just kind of left over. And so I grabbed one of those and a cookie and a Coke. And yeah, that was a nice little stop. So now I'm moving on. All right, crossing over into New Hampshire. Goodbye, Vermont. I'm tired of you. New Hampshire, I'm ready for your challenge. Let's go. New Hampshire. New Hampshire, then Maine. 2 states left. Trail goes this way. Let's go. So I'm just taking a quick break on the campus of Dartmouth and taking in the downtown and the people walking by. But I'm getting ready to go over to Louis' Bakery and get a free donut. And then I'm gonna go down the street to Ramonto's Pizza and get a free slice of pizza. And then there's a rec center down the street that lets hikers take showers. But I think they're $5 and laundry is $5 as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go try and find that too. So I'll spin this phone around so you can see I'm right across from the Dartmouth Green, and then the campus is behind me as well. All right, chores in town continue. Got on my loaner clothes down at the rec center. Took a shower down there. I got my laundry going down there, and then I just ran up. I had an appointment at the barber shop for 1 o'clock, and so I just had to run up there. Got my hair did. Feels better. Guy lined me up, used the straight razor. It's always fun when they do that. So now I'm running back to the rec center. Gonna switch my clothes over from the washer to the dryer, and then I'm gonna come back uptown and get some food. So yeah, running around town chores. Let's go. I'm actually on the AT right now, by the way. This is the Appalachian Trail, running right through Hanover. So pretty cool. All right, just stopped by Lou's Bakery. and got a free, they call it a crawler. I don't know. It's like a big long donut, jelly filled. I've already eaten most of it. Now I'm going to get my free slice of pizza at the pizza place down the street. All right, last stop. Stopped in here to get my free slice of pizza, picked up a second slice as well, or Gatorade. I'm gonna eat this down, then I'm gonna hike out. Let's go. Let's go. All right, just grabbed a few supplies over there at that co-op food store, and now I am getting back on trail. So this is the trail. No camping here though. This is for Dartmouth athletics use only. So I won't be camping on this field. But it does look like some nice grass. But yeah, trail goes this way. Let's go. All right, see you later, town, with all your conveniences and niceties. Hello, woods, with all your mud and darkness and trees. All right, here we go. Let's see, I think I'm probably just going to the Velvet Rock Shelter 1.2. Because it's 4 o'clock right now, and I've kind of just been doing chores all day. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see when I get there. I might try and find some place to stealth camp, but I don't think you're really supposed to here. So anyway, trail goes this way. Let's go. All right, I'm just hanging out in my tent, watching the mosquitoes swarm outside the netting. I stopped about a mile or so short of kind of my intended location, and I just kind of threw my tent in a nice flat spot. I'm 200 yards off the trail, so I'm well within safe camping distance based on the restrictions here. So yeah, ended up being I think 16.6 miles today, and that's with getting my hair cut, stopping in 2 towns, Norwich and Hanover. Kind of went back and forth around Hanover a couple times because I was doing my laundry. I took a shower and started my laundry at the rec center, and then I had my appointment to get my hair cut at 1, so I had to walk back uptown to do that, and then I walked back down to take my laundry and put it in the dryer, and then I took a second shower, get all the hair off, and plus it just felt good to take a second shower. And then once my laundry was done, everything was charged up, I went back up to town and got a free donut. I think I showed you that. Got some free candies at the candy store. I'm gonna have those later. Got a free slice of pizza. I think I showed you that in a second slice. And yeah, and then stopped by the co-op, got a few resupply items. I think I probably showed you all this, but anyway, this is the recap. So, and then I hiked out For some reason, I thought I was going to stop at that first shelter, which was like a mile out, but I was there at like 4:30, so that was silly. So yeah, definitely hiked a few more miles after that. So ended up being a pretty productive day. Covered some good miles early this morning. I knocked those out pretty quick, and then had some road miles, and those go really fast. So yeah, it ended up being 16.5 miles, so wasn't too bad, and I did all those chores. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Got a big climb coming up tomorrow. I think it's Moose Mountain. So anyway, I'm just gonna hang out in my tent here. These mosquitoes are bad. It's coming up on 7 o'clock. I don't know. I'll go to bed early and get up early, start hiking early. So that's the plan anyway. So yeah, I'm happy to be in New Hampshire. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, thanks for all the support. Thanks for following along. It's been a couple hard days for me here lately. So I appreciate you guys taking it easy on me. I don't know. It's hard sometimes. So, yeah. But hey, I'm ready. I'm ready to tackle this state, and I'm ready to push on. So you know what we do. Let's go. Let's go to bed. Thanks, guys.